Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start exact chapter 5 simulation training. Sort the data by discipline and then the area both in alphabetic order. Okay. Area and discipline both in alphabetic order. Discipline and then by area. I have done the part 1 of question number 1. Now I am going to move for my next step. Here you can see. Use the subtotal feature to sum of the number of wholesales. Subtotal feature. Sum of number of wholesale retail sales and total book sales by discipline. Wholesales, retail sales, total book. Okay, I have done the step number 1. Now I am going to move for my next question. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. Leave the existing subtotal value and add second level subtotal for area. Second level of subtotal of area. Leave the existing subtotal value and add the second level subtotal to area. I have done this modification. Now I am going to move for my next question. Collapse the table to show the grand total only. Now I am going to collapse the table. Expand the table, show the entire table. Okay, I have done this modification. Now I'm going to move for my next question. Use the auto outline feature to group the column. Today I'm going to solve Excel chapter 5 simulation training. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. Use the auto outline feature to group the column. Now I'm going to move for the auto outline feature to group the column. Collapse the total book sales. Now I am going to collapse the total book sale. I have completed the question number 5. Now I am going to move for my next question. Create a pivot table using the sum of the total book sales by discipline. Now I am going to create a pivot table using the sum of total book. Insert a sum of total book by discipline. Sum of total book by sale. Rename the new sheet. Okay. Here you can see today I am going to solve Excel chapter 5 simulation training. It's a greater project of Microsoft Excel class. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. Sorry, rename the new sheet. Assign the name of the pivot table total book sales. I have done this modification. Now I'm going to move for my next question. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. If you need the solution of any Microsoft class, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I can handle your whole class with quality grades. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you trouble in any project. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I can make quality grade for you in all assessment. It says drag the addition field from column area to pivot table. Okay. Column area to pivot table. Add a copyright field to display as a row between the disciplinary and book title field in the add a copyright field to row between the and book title field in the row area. Okay. Add a copyright field to display as a row. Copyright field. Expand the depth discipline to display the copyright year. Expand the depth discipline to display the copyright year and book title in the pivot table. I am going to show how it expand the depth discipline.
Click the Aging Death Expand
Okay.
plus button to the right of the row 5 heading.
I have done the question number 7. Now I am going to move for my next question. Remove the addition field from the pivot table. I am going to remove the addition field from the pivot table. Remove the addition field from the pivot table. Remove the book title field from the pivot table. Book title field. Move the copyright field from the column area. Copyright field to the column area. I have done the question number 8. Now I am going to move for my next question. Click in cell B5 and use the value field setting dialog box. Type the custom name sales by discipline for the value apply counting number format. Okay, now I'm going to solve this one. Okay, click in cell B5 the value field. B5. Okay, and sales by and apply counting number format with 0 decimal places. And click on cell B and use the value field setting dialog box. Type the custom name by sales by discipline for the values. Apply counting number format. Okay. Click cell B5 and use the value field setting. Counting number format with 0 decimal places. Type discipline in cell A4. Type copyright here in cell P3. Apply center horizontal alignment to the ranges. Okay. I have done this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. In cell B1 in the book data worksheet, B1, and insert a get pivot data function to F14 in the pivot worksheet. F14. In cell B1 in the data worksheet, get pivot data function. I can show you how it works. I am dealing with many students and delivering quality grade for them. Just text me through WhatsApp or email.
Type the equal sign. Click the pivot. Click cell F14 and then press enter.
Okay, now you can see here. I am going to solve this one. B1 in cell B2 get pivot data function F8 from the pivot sheet. Pivot table F8. Change the retail price rate to 125% in cell J1 to book data worksheet. J1 to change the retail price.
Click cell J1 and then type 125.
As you can see, today I am going to solve Excel chapter 5 simulation training. It's a greater project
Click
of
cell
Microsoft
J1
Excel class.
and then type 125. Press enter.
Okay. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. If you need the solution of any Microsoft class, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. Then it says refresh the pivot table. View cell B1 in the book data worksheet to see update result. I have completed the question number 9. Now I am going to move for my next question. Use the addition field as a filter from the pivot table and display the first and second addition. Set the copyright year filter to display only 2025 and 2024. Today you can see here I am going to solve Excel chapter 5 simulation training. I can make quality grade for you in all assessment, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email if you trouble in any project. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I did this project before many times for method student and deliver quality grade for them. Insert the slicer for the discipline field. Now you can see here I am going to insert a slicer for the discipline field. Insert a slicer for the discipline field. Display two column of button in the slicer. Set the button field. Okay, now you can see here I am going to solve this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. If you need the solution of any Microsoft class, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to deliver quality guide for you. I am dealing with MATLAB Stats, MATLAB Mathematics, MATLAB Accounting, MATLAB Finance. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. If you trouble in any project, I am here to deliver quality guide for you. Display the two column of button in the slicer. Two column of button and set the bottom weight 1.5 and set the slicer height to 2 inches. Close the task pane. Apply the light blue slicer, strike dark one strike to the discipline slicer. Slicer strike dark one strike to the light blue slicer dark one. Cut the slicer and paste into cell F1. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. If you trouble in any project, I am here to deliver quality guide for you. I am dealing with MATLAB Stats, MATLAB Mathematics, MATLAB Accounts, MATLAB Finance. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, create a calculated field name author royalties that multiply the total book sales field by 1.1. Okay, here you can see name of field author royalty that is multiplied by total book sales, okay, multiply by 1 and okay. Use the value field setting to type the custom name. Okay, copy this one. Use the value field. Okay, use the value field setting to type the custom name author royalties. Okay, for the calculator field. Here you can see I am going to solve this one. I am dealing with
With
Microsoft
cell
Word, Microsoft
C5
PowerPoint,
selected,
Microsoft
on the
Database
pivot
Access.
table
Just text me through
Analyze
WhatsApp
tab,
or email. If you need the solution of any Microsoft class, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with many students and delivering quality grades for them. If you trouble in any project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to deliver quality grade for you.
with cell C5 selected, on the pivot table Analyze tab, in the active field group, click Field Settings. Type author's royalties in the custom name box.
Here I'm going to solve this one. I'm dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam.
With cell C5, type author's royalties in the custom name box. Click OK.
Okay. I have completed this one. Now I'm going to move further. With the cell B5 selected, show the book sales value percentage of the row total. B5 selected, show the book sales value as a percentage. Okay, here you can see I'm going to solve this one. With the cell B5 selected, show the book sales value. I am going to solve this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes,
On the
simulation
click the
training.
Show Values As tab. Click the Show Values As arrow. Select percent. Click OK.
Okay. Show the book value as percentage of row total. Percentage of row total. Show the value as percentage grand total. I have done this modification. Now I am going to move further. Apply the light blue pivot style medium 2. Okay. Light blue pivot style medium 2. Apply the banded row to the pivot table. Banded rows. Apply the banded column. I have completed the question number 14. Now I am going to move for my next question. Display the disciplinary sheet. Okay. Display the editor sheet. Display the book sheet. Create a relationship between the book table. Okay, now I'm going to create a relationship. Create a relationship between the book table using the discipline code. Okay. Here you can see I'm going to solve this one.
Click the Data
Okay, in
tab.
data tab
In
we
the
can
Data Tools
find.
group, click
Okay.
Relationships.
Now I'm going to create a relationship through data tab. Okay, now I'm going to add a first relationship. Book table using the discipline code table book, and the discipline table create a relationship between the book table using the discipline code field, and another one is discipline table using the this code field. I have added this relation and close. Create a relationship between the book table. Now I'm going to add another relationship. Book table using the editor ID. Book table editor ID, and then editor table using the editor ID field. Editor table using the editor ID field. I have added two relationships according to the instruction. Now I'm going to move for my next question. It says from within the data set on the book sheet, create a pivot table to add the data to the data model. From within the data set on the book sheet, I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. If you trouble in any project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. From within the data set on the book sheet, create a pivot table to add the data. Okay, I can show you how it works, how we can add a data to add a data model.
Click the Insert tab.
Insert a
Click Pivot Table and
pivot
click
table
the Add This.
to the
Click
data
OK.
model. Okay. From the within the data set from the book sheet, here is book sheet, and insert a pivot table from the add to this data model. Display all table within the pivot table field and select the total book sales from the all tables within the pivot. Okay.
Click All at the top of the Pivot Table Fields list. Click Books to display the
Book
fields in the
table.
books. Scroll through the fields.
Okay, now you can see here I'm going to solve this one. I'm dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. Display all table. I can show you how it works.
Click All at the Click Books to scroll through the fields and then click the Total Book Sales checkbox to select it.
All table. Book to total book sale. Change the field setting from the total book sale pivot by applying the counting number format. Now I'm going to change, apply the counting number format with 0 decimal places and then OK. And add the discipline field from the discipline table in the pivot table field to the OK. Add discipline from the discipline table.
Click Discipline in the click the discipline.
Here you can see now I'm going to add a discipline field from the discipline table. Add the detail last field from the detail table. Detail last field. I have completed this one. Now I'm going to submit this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you trouble in any project. I am sure to deliver quality grade for you in all assessment. Okay, thank you so much.